What's up, everybody? Game time here. I have football on the brain, and I watched a couple of breaks of people opening retail boxes of this 2017 Panini Prizm. The hobby boxes are sky high. I'm not buying those and taking the chance of getting a couple of scrub autographs. I can't do it. But it looks like there's plenty of value with the retail boxes, which is what I have here. 4 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. There's a good chance of getting an autograph. I've seen most, but not all, people get an autograph out of this stuff. But it's kind of not really about that. It's mostly about the rookie cards and hopefully getting rookie parallels. So that is what we are looking for here. In particular, this fella. And a few more. The 2017 rookie class is still looking, to me, a lot better than the 2018. The 2018, I mean, like, all I really know and hear about all the time is just the quarterbacks. Which we know, quarterbacks are the star of the show, but in 2017, we were talking about lots of running backs, too. Not hearing about so many running backs other than Saquon for 2018. Alright, Ryan Tannehill. Our first rookie Prizm is Wayne Gallman. Not bad. Jared Goff and Emmanuel Sanders. Orakpo, a green Zay Jones. Not the best one to get, but it is what it is. Devontae Adams and Jonathan Stewart. Jordan Matthews, Mike Glennon, a green Sterling Shepard. I really like him. And Delaney Walker. James White, Zach Miller, a D.D. Westbrook, rookie introductions, Tevin Coleman, Doug Martin, and a Raekwon McMillan. Wow, there's a lot of flaky stuff on these. I'll clean them up later. You can do it with just a soft, like, microfiber cloth. Julius Thomas and Greg Olsen. I like to use the one that like came with my iPad or iPhone or whatever. But you can buy those too. And just use one exclusively for your cards if you wanted to. Robert Kelly, Sheldon Richardson, Charles Harris, and Bosa. Dion Lewis, a Trubisky Illumination. This is a gorgeous card. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, that's really sweet. Stephon Diggs and Chandler Jones. Derek Carr, Tyrod Taylor, a Steve Young class of 2005 Hall of Fame Prizm, AJ Green, and that wacky kid reporter, Josh McCown, a red Brad Kaya. Dang, too bad it's him. I forgot to mention reds and blues are retail exclusive, and they're I think they're not numbered, but I think the print run is around 10. It's good that it's a rookie. It's not good that it's Brad Kaya. So, whatever. I mean, got one. Ellington and Snead. Let's see if we can get a blue out of here. That would be sweet. I wouldn't mind doing another box of this. Simeon. Ooh, sweet. A James Conner. I really like him. Eddie Lacy and Carson Palmer. I think he's going to be good. Eric Berry, Kyle Williams, another Illumination Trubisky. That's funny, 2 in 1 box. I'll take it. I will take it. Charles Clay. Was there any difference between these? Yeah, there is. I think this one to the left is green. It is. The background's green. So that's funny. Huh. Cool. Really nice. Alright, Vinatieri, Hassan Reddick, rookie, Kirk Cousins, and Julio Jones. James Harrison, Tyler Eifert, Mike Williams, good one, Philip Dorsett, Marvin Jones Jr. and Samaje Perine, J.J. Watt and Cam Newton. Let's see what we got left in here. A good bit. Yay, good. So we can get some more good stuff. Lamar Miller, see a green here. Mike Wallace and a green Des Bryant. Carlos Hyde. Gronk, a Taywan Taylor Prizm rookie, Von Miller, and LeGarrette Blount. Thomas Rawls, Carson Wentz, Zay Jones, Instant Impact, and Patrick Peterson. Doug Baldwin, another red, Khalil Mack. Now this is a good one. People love Khalil Mack, and with good reason. It's a very good pull right there. Very happy with this. Go ahead and grab a sleeve. Although these are not easy to damage with my fumble fingers. If I can get it in the sleeve. Yeah, that's a great pull. Very, very, very happy. Vance McDonald and Jamison Crowder. Jeremy Hill, Jabril Peppers, Devontae Adams, and Derrick Henry. LaShawn McCoy, Khalil Mack, Michael Strahan, Hall of Fame, Andy Dalton. Just a couple more packs. See if we can get a blue or an autograph. Or a good rookie. No Deshaun, no Trubisky other than the inserts. Benjamin, Switzer, Torrey Smith, and Odell Beckham Jr. Although 2 reds, I mean, can't really expect a blue if you got 2 reds. Richard Sherman, Demarius Thomas, Adam Shaheen, and Laquan Treadwell. Treadwell has not been as good as I thought he would be. I don't know, maybe he'll turn it around this year, have a better year. Mark Barron, there it is. Trubisky, very nice. Pretty well centered too. Sweet. Terrell Pryor Sr. and Jameis Winston. And our last pack. Amari Cooper, Charles Sims, Fournette rookie introductions. And Devontae Parker. Not a bad box at all. Matter of fact, I think I will probably get another one of these. Yeah, the values is still really good with the 2017 rookie class, as it should be. I think these were pretty much the stars of the show in this box, but there was lots of good stuff in here. Lots. Yeah, I love a box like this where I just see value everywhere, and it's fun. So, yep, sweet. Alright, I'm going to sleeve these up, get everything protected, and wipe off all these flakes of paper. Everybody please like and subscribe. We are so close to 100. Matter of fact, by the time I post this, we may already be there, and you'll be like, what are you talking about? But don't worry, if that's the case, we'll be doing a 200 subscriber contest as well. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I really do. And everybody take care.